Hi everyone, this is Geet from Branofy. Today we'll see the biggest problem in marketing industry, that is nurturing the leads. Studies shows that if you don't reach any leads within 5 minutes, then converting the lead chances drop by more than 50%. The problem is not with the lead volume. The problem is we are not reaching the lead on time, neither we are doing a right follow-up with the lead. There's another big problem that we see. Our sales team spend most of the time calling the leads who are not at all interested on our services, and we waste our time and energy talking to those people who never show up. So to solve all this chaos, all this problem, I've built one automation which takes care of the main three things for every lead. First, as soon as someone submits your lead from either from your Facebook ads, Google ads or website, anywhere, it captures the leads data. It reads the leads data and score the lead out of 100. And after scoring, it tells us if the lead is a warm lead, it's a cold lead, or it's a hot lead. This is the first step that the lead navigator does. The second step that it does is it adds the lead immediately to your CRM and put all the comments whichever AI has understood based on the lead submission to your CRM so that you can read all the data and take the necessary decision. The third and most important thing that it does is it curates proposal for that particular lead and immediately send that to the lead using an email, also WhatsApp at the same time. And all these things happen in just 30 seconds of time as soon as a lead comes in. Now let's see how I've built this complete automation, how you can also use the same automation for your own business, irrespective of which business you are in. If it is on travel, resort, interior, construction, whatever business you are running in, this automation you can deploy on your system and you can save a lot of time and effort and save a lot of money on this. So let's see how this automation works and how you can also use the same automation for your business. So if you see in my screen, you can see this is the particular automation that we are going to use, and we'll see step by step how each nodes works and how this will help you streamline your complete lead flow automation. Let's see. Now for this example, you can see I'll just go to my website here, submit a lead form here to see how this automation works. So currently this automation is not active, and I'll just try submitting as, let's take an example of a travel agency, that is a break bag. And here I just put the URL or the website name of the particular company, breakbag.com, and I'll just mark it as tours and travels. It's asking for a few questions, the team size and the monthly revenue. So we'll just take, this is the revenue and this is what we have. And these are few questions like what are the things that is hurting your booking. I'll just select few of the things, and this is how I'll select the options here. And let's select this. And now it is asking me to submit my details. So I'll just put my name and marketing head. I'll put my email. I'll just put my personal email here and my phone number. All right. So before I submit this lead, I'll activate this workflow so that you can capture this lead, and I'll just submit here. So as soon as I submit this lead, it's analyzing and showing me some of the recommendation based on my inputs. Here it is made it that way, but this is not what you're going to see here. Let's see how this automation is working here. Now, if you see, as soon as I have submitted the lead, the automation has started and it has captured the lead and sent the lead information to our AI agent. And this AI agent is responsible to score my particular lead and put it in a particular bucket. Bucket means if it is a warm lead, it's a cold lead, or it's a complete hot lead. So based on my bucket and my lead score, I can take the necessary decision for what is the next step that I should do for this particular lead. So let the AI run and complete a task. So meanwhile, we'll see what are the other nodes is going to do here. So it's going to add all the leads to your Google Sheet. I'll show you that as well. So if you see, in this is my Google Sheet, which is empty here, and now we can see the leads detail are added. Whatever I've submitted, everything is added with the lead score. If you see, here is the lead score that is given by the AI. It's a 72 out of 100. Bucket is hot, that means it's a complete hot lead. it has also given me a recommendation step that what should I do with this lead. It's asking me it's a high priority reach, call the lead within 24 hours, confirm the scope, and do a tailored demo for this particular lead. So this is giving me a complete recommendation step for this particular lead in my Google Sheet. Next thing what it is doing is it's creating a contact in my Odoo. So if I just go to Odoo and go to my CRM, so I'm using Odoo CRM to save all the data here. So if I see here, I have the lead has already submitted my details here with all the notes. Whatever the notes you can see over here in my Google Sheet, it is also added my notes with the score and the bucket of this particular lead in my Odoo CRM as well. So two things is already done. It has added my lead to my Google Sheet. It has also added my lead to my CRM. So these two things are done. Meanwhile, what it is doing, and it is downloading the proposal which is needed for the particular user. Maybe if the particular user is submitted the detail as travel, so maybe I'll just send a proposal which is related to travel. If somebody is submitting the details about a construction company, so I'll send a proposal based on a construction company. So it will download the particular file or the proposal which is based on the user industry and then draft a mail with the particular email ID. Now if you see my email ID, let's check my email ID here. I'll just refresh my email. So here you can see the email is already here. Proposal for reduce code ghosting and improve lead quality. These are the problems which I have selected while submitting the form. So it has curated the subject line based on what I have submitted. And this is the mail which is drafted particularly to my problem and what exactly should I do and what is the pain point that I've given here. Everything is covered in this particular email. So it is not a generic email. It is a completely curated email particularly for me based on my submissions or the data that I've given. And also it has attached a proposal here for me in a PDF file, which I can go through based on what the company does and how it can solve. So the proposal could be anything of your business, right? So this is how it has already sent me a proposal mail. Within just few, it is just 1 minute ago. That means just within a few seconds, it has sent me this proposal mail. If I check my WhatsApp here, if you see there's a WhatsApp message already came in here, and it is asking me to book a consultation. Like, thank you for booking, submitting your details or booking with Branofy, and here is the product demo. You can just click on this. So if I just click on this, I can directly book a calendar or an appointment with that. So this is how you can see how Lead Navigator has done most of the work for me. Not this only. If you see my personal company email here, I've just given one email here. If you see here, I've got all the lead information through my mail as well. So it is doing a lot of work without even any human intervention here. It is scoring the lead, it is putting a bucket for that lead, it is sending up the proposal for the lead, it is sending a WhatsApp message to the lead, what should be done. It is giving us recommendation that what you should do with the lead in the next step. It is creating a contact in our CRM, it is creating a contact in the Google Sheet, it is also sending us all the details through our email. So out of this, you are not leaving the lead on that particular hot moment when the lead is submitting the details, and you are also getting all the information about the lead. So if the lead score is less, maybe the lead score is 10, 20 or 30, then you shouldn't spend time on calling them and converting them, right? You should spend more time on the warm and hot lead rather than on the cold lead. And so you can manage your strategy, manage your marketing strategy or sales strategy based on the lead score that you're receiving in. So this is the complete automation which you can see here. This is a very simple automation, but it is doing a really good task that every business should deploy on their sales and marketing automation. So this is all about this Lead Navigator. This is how it works. And if you just want a quick demo, or maybe if you want to deploy this for your particular business, you can check the link in description below, or you can comment here in the comment box. So we'll share you the complete details, how you can use this, how you can deploy this for your particular business. And I'll see you back on a new video next time. Thanks for watching this video till now, and have a nice day ahead.